Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wonton wrappers. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and about 1/4 cup of water. Having everything ready before you begin makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. A clean surface is also key for successful dough handling. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix. In a large bowl, combine the 2 cups of flour and the 2 eggs. Slowly add the water, a little at a time, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for texture. After kneading, let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Then, divide it into several smaller portions. Take one portion and roll it out on a lightly floured surface until it's incredibly thin, about 1 millimeter thick. The thinner, the better. Finally, use a sharp knife or a cookie cutter to cut the dough into 3-inch squares or circles, depending on your preference. To prevent your freshly made wrappers from sticking together, lightly dust each one with cornstarch. You can use them immediately for your favorite wonton recipe or store them for later. Place them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days or freeze them for longer storage. Enjoy your homemade wontons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.